total distance, what are we going to have to find?
Derivative.
Be the derivative. Velocity, because we're going to have to figure out what? Yes, if it changes directions at any time. And that's moving right or left. So velocity is what?
A number.
2e to the 2t.
Minus 8.
Yep. So you take the derivative of e to the 2t, which is e to the 2t. And then you also take the derivative of 2t, which is 2. So that's where she got 2e to the 2t. And then the derivative of minus 8t is minus 8. So we're going to graph that. Now, what you can do so you don't get rid of the first one is if you go over and go on top. I'm sure I've told you this before, but maybe not. If you go over on top of this equal sign here and hit enter, it'll turn off that graph, but you didn't have to delete that. So like, see, normally it looks like that.
Yeah.
If you cursor on top of the equal sign and hit enter, the equal's no longer highlighted, which just means when I graph it, y1 won't graph. Because I only want my velocity to graph. So 2e to the 2x minus 8.
Oh, it's red.
Yeah, because it's on the second one.
And it does change direction.
So, yes. My window is going from 0.5 to 1.5. And I'm going to hit zoom 0 so that it'll set the window nice and neat for me.
Changes once.
Yes, we can see that it changes directions. How do we tell where it changes directions?
Calculate 0.
Calculate the 0. Good.
What is this for?
What is this for?
The point where it
It's going to find the point where it changes. So we're going to find the distance from 1.5 to, or 0.5 to that point, and then add that distance from that point to 1.5, because it's going in different directions. Okay, hang on. I'm
What
going
was
to
the
show you.
purpose of finding this direction?
Oh, what did she say or me? Oh, okay. Here, I'm about to say it again. So first we're going to find where it changes directions, which was calculating the 0. So second trace, number 2, 0. Oh.
I have a 0.693.
Sounds good. Yep, that's what I got too.
Cool.
Everybody get that? Okay. So 0.693, whatever. And that's where it changes signs. V of t changes signs, therefore really direction. So what I said and what we were talking about is, what's the point of that? Well, remember, total distance, you have to find where it changes signs, because you have to have 2 of them. So it's, and it really, again, order doesn't matter because it's absolute value. So it is absolute value of V of, let's see, we can do 0.693 minus V, I don't know why I said V, it should be P. P, 0.5 plus P of 1.5 minus P of 0.693. Now, your calculator has the ability to actually put in absolute value symbols.
Where?
It is under the math button.
Isn't it
Matrix?
like math 6?
Yeah, if you go to math, just hit math and cursor over to where it says NUM. It's the first one where it says abs.
Ah,
And it'll actually put those bars there.
Is it Y2 or Y1 that we're?
It is Y2 this time. Very good. No, I lied. Because P, we're still doing P. So it's still Y1. Absolute value. So I have alpha Y1 of 0.693. I guess I have to talk, sorry.
oh, he got it.
No,
Did you mess up?
I forgot a plus and I went to clear the second absolute and it went all the way.
Oh no.
Did I didn't get that much different of a number.
Should get 9.894.
That's what I got.
Yay!
I can do math. Not really. I'm on a calculator.
You know how to do it.
I can put it in right.
Yeah, I'm gonna show you how I put it in.
Put the X
I actually put it all in together.
That's what I did too.
Y'all got 9.89.
Yep, 894.
I keep forgetting we need 3 decimals.
Oh, don't forget that. That's a big
Feet.
deal. It is feet. Yep.
That wasn't too
No.
Watch the next one.
Yeah,
The roughest
I was
thing
about to
we've
say.
ever had to do in our lives.
Oh, 9.894 feet. That is total distance. Are we good?
Good.
All right. Next one. Position of a particle given by the function blah, where P of t is measured in feet. Find the net and total distance. The particle travels from pi over 6 minutes to 5 pi over 4 minutes. So we can do net distance, no problem. Go to Y1, plug that puppy in there.
I'm gonna turn it on.
That might help.
Maybe.
And you can actually type in, pi over 6 and all that stuff. You do the alpha y equals to put the fraction in if you want to.
Oh my gosh, I hit the wrong thing. I'm now graphing it.
Ah.
You got 0.989.
Yep.
Feet.
Yes.
Yes, I got it.
I'll delete that initially, but I'm going to leave it up there. Everybody got that?
Got it.
0.989.